Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I am in a rush because I'm already running late, so let's get to this. I already have foundation on, as you can see, because I had to copy stuff off my camera before I could start filming with my camera, but I couldn't wait to start getting my makeup done because I actually have to go somewhere. I'm already running late. So this is what I did so far. I am gonna contour next. Luckily, you haven't missed out on much because all this stuff is the huge. But if you do want to know, I will link a foundation routine video for you. I'm sure I have one somewhere. I'm gonna wear a low top today and I really don't want my face to not match my body, so I'm gonna like contour or bronze all the way down my neck so all of it looks good. I'm also gonna put some highlighter on my chest. So why are we here today? Why are we rushing? What are we getting ready for? So as most of you know, I am a student and I'm doing my honors in food science right now. And the food science department shares a building with the consumer science department. So we see what the consumer science kids are getting up to every now and then, and they do a lot of cooking and a lot of that stuff smells good. And it so turns out that someone who's on a committee with me is in the consumer science department, and I asked them like, hey, what's all the cooking about? So I asked her and she said they do these fancy events where they cook and plan and arrange everything, and then people come and then they kind of rate them and stuff, and that's what they get marked on. And anyone can come as long as you buy a ticket. This nose contour is not blended. Oh gosh. So I was like, sign me up for the next one. So that's what I'm rushing to get ready for. We're gonna go to the consumer science department's autumn dinner, it's called, where my friend and her classmates are going to get marked on how the evening goes. It's pretty fancy. I'll put the menu on screen, probably like on that side, so you can see what we're gonna have tonight. I think it sounds very interesting. I'm very excited. And I love going to events like these, like fancy dinners and stuff like that, so that's very cool. But if I want to go to fancy dinner, I have to look the part. Unfortunately, I don't have the eyebrows for it because I'm in the process of packing and everything's everywhere. And now that I need to like touch up my eyebrows, I don't have access to my stuff, so they're a mess. But yeah, if I'm gonna go to a fancy dinner, I better look the part, so I'm getting all a glam for that today. Even though we need to leave in like 30 minutes. What time is it? 20 minutes. We're gonna be late. We're gonna be late. We're gonna be late. Well, I'm not actually gonna be late. We're actually going early, which let me explain that to you. I basically finished my research project yesterday, the lab work part of it. I plated the last of it, and now Friday I just have to go in and get the results of the plating, do some plate counts. But they want me to do an ascorbic acid assay where I have to figure out how much ascorbic acid is left in the yogurt. And that's just like a titration I have to do, but I have to do with a guy that's only there today. So we're gonna go in at like 4:30 so I can talk to him, get the titration done and everything. And then after that, go to the dinner. So it's not like we're gonna be late to the dinner, but I'm gonna be late to everything else happening before that. Going for intentionally rough brows today. This is the look. I think that's all the face stuff, so I'm gonna spray some setting spray. Another plane? Helicopter? Why? What's going on today? The whole day there was nothing. And now that I'm filming, I really shook the living daylights out of this whole thing. Okay, so we're already looking cute. Now it's on to the eyeshadow, the fun part. This is the shirt I'm gonna wear, so I feel like Wanderlust is gonna be like the best color to go with it, I suppose. So I'm just gonna use the Born to Run palette today. I'm gonna start with a fluffy blending brush and the color Riff just to map out where everything is gonna go. And I'm just gonna put that straight in my crease. So who am I going with? I was initially gonna go with my dad because I was like, hey, it sounds fun. I asked my mom and my dad. My mom's busy at work today, so she won't be able to come to the dinner tonight. She does want to come to the next one though, she's keen on that, but that's why my mom couldn't make it, so I asked my dad, and my dad said, yeah, he's down, so I booked like 3 tickets. But then last minute, my dad couldn't make it, so I was like, gosh darn it, now I have 3 tickets, what am I gonna do? So I called my sister, and I was like, hey, Tixie, are you available? And she's like, yeah, sounds like a lot of fun. I wasn't sure she'd be willing because we're gonna eat pork and chicken tonight, I think, and she is vegan. But she said she's still down, she'll figure it out. And I'm like, that's great, let's go. She asked if her boyfriend could come with, but when I tried booking an extra ticket, they were like, nah, okay. It's past the due date, which, is it a due date? If it's a ticket, isn't it like past the time to RSVP or something? What's the right word to use there? So we unfortunately couldn't add her boyfriend, which is a bummer, because I don't really know the dude that well, even though they've been dating for quite a while, so I think I should get to know him. But I'm still gonna go with my sister, and that's fun. I'm gonna go over that with a touch of Baja, this bright orange color, but because it's green, you always have to have a touch of orange in somewhere. And of course, I'm gonna go with Aiden, my boyfriend. So it's my boyfriend, my sister, and myself. We're gonna go to dinner. I am hoping we're gonna get to see Kotratso tonight, who is that friend of mine who is in consumer science, but I'm assuming we're not gonna get to do that because she'll probably be in the kitchen working and we'll probably be in the dining room area. Now this is a bit of a shimmery color and I'm expecting it's not going to stick really well, but I'm first going to go in with this flat yet fluffy brush and really pick up a lot of this and try and blend it into my crease. See what type of payoff I get here. Obviously I'm getting fallout, but we're going to have to deal with that. Got a pretty nice amount deposited in my crease now, so I'm going to go in with that fluffy blending brush again and kind of just blend everything together in my crease. It kind of does dull the color, but that is what it is. Now the flat shader brush, I'm going to put some more of this shade on my lid. Trying to get it to pop nicely. Gonna put a little bit here on my lower lash line of the green color. I wasn't sure if I wanted to pop a color, but I don't want it to be that much. And I'm just gonna blend it all together so it goes together smooth. And I'm gonna put some of the transition colors underneath as well. I'm gonna go in with the color Smog on a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna put it here underneath my lash line. I don't know what happened here so that it's going down so low, but let's try and use residuals on the Beauty Blender to kind of just lift up that corner of my eye a bit. I'm like trying my best, but I feel like you can see I'm rushing this. Obviously you know I'm rushing this, but need to put some bright highlighter in the inner corner. Oh yeah, I think that's what we were missing. Now a lot of people say you should put the highlighter like up close to your nose, and I do agree with that. But while I agree that you should blend the highlighter upwards, I don't think you should blend it onto your lower lash line. I don't like what that looks like. Yeah, that's a bit much. Let's kind of tone it down with the blending brush again. I think I need a more yellow highlighter, so I'm going to go in with Stranded ? See if that works. Not quite, so let's try this color from this really old Cardi Bubble palette. Yeah, I think that's more like it. Okay, there we go. Get that shimmer going and then tap over it to pretend you're going to diffuse it a little bit. I'm going to put this under my brows too. Don't know what I was thinking when I was doing my highlighter. Because this look is already so dark, I definitely need black eyeliner in my waterline. I don't mind rushing the rest of my makeup, but I hate rushing when it comes to liquid liner because you can't do it fast. There's no way around it, you just have to go through it. It's usually like the last thing you do, so that's usually when you're rushing like the most. I feel like it's missing like something, but I don't have any dark greens in this palette. Gonna mix some blue, some yellow and some black, and then... No, that doesn't turn out good. That is not what we're going for. I have like this really old like minty green, and that might add a little bit of color to this whole thing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's nice. Anyways, for lips, I'm gonna go with a matte liquid lipstick because it'll dry down. I'm not overlining or anything because we definitely don't have time for that, even though I think that looks cute. For lashes, I'm using whatever this one is, but I will be applying falsies. Do not be fooled. I'm gonna regret doing my lashes before my eyeliner, but my eyeliner's downstairs, so the neighbor just wouldn't get it for me. Let's see if we can hack the system. I'm gonna stick on my lashes first and then my eyeliner. Oh, what's going on, kitten? Does my lipstick look fine? Does everything look fine?
Yeah, you look pretty.
Thank you. Child, you need to be quiet. The internet can only hear you if they see you. I hate being late. My mom was always late growing up, and I was like, I'm not gonna be like that. Here we are. I stuck it way too high. I really hope you can't see the glue on my lid. I don't know if I like that. That sucks. That sucks bad. I need different types of lashes in life because I feel like these ones don't suit the current look. You know what doesn't suit this look? These bags. Courtesy of the university. It's how life be.
That? Yeah.
Oh.
Not even get into that. Let us not.
Ooh, I have a pretty ring I can wear tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah, the green one that I like never get to wear.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. I'm being very careful now with this inner corner because it's usually where I mess up, but like it'll make it look so nice. She's meowing because she needs to go to the bathroom and she wants us to keep her company, but she needs to learn to be an independent little kitten. You can do it! She like waits for us to get home before she pees. It's not a good habit. Symbolic ring. I don't know what that thing is. We're going with that. That's what it is now. They're not even, but that's what it is now. I'm gonna put a dot right here. My eyeliner would cooperate. I think if it's new, it would do something. Yeah, I think those little dots are cute. There's two there, and then on the outer corners at the bottom. And I think that's it for the makeup. I'm gonna put on a little bit more setting spray, and then yeah, I think I'm done. I'm not crazy about the lip. It's all pink, but it's gonna be on my mask most of the time anyways, so. Now, because my collarbones are gonna be out, I'm gonna take some golden highlighter and then put that right there, and a touch right here on my shoulders, and then like rub at it to make it look all blended in and natural. Let me quickly wash my hands so I can get changed. I like never remember to wash my hands after doing my makeup and getting makeup everywhere. But I'm gonna wear this green ring right here. Rather, let me wear it on my right hand, and then I'm gonna take these two golden ones, put them together here, so that's what that looks like. Like I said, we're busy moving, so the earrings I wanted to wear are not here, unfortunately. But I'm wearing a lot of black, so I'll probably just wear something black. I'm also gonna throw on this choker. I think that'll look cute. I haven't worn one in a while. These default black earrings, I suppose. Now because everything's black, I feel like I shouldn't wear the rings because there's like no gold or anything anywhere else. Like, I don't know if that works. You know, does that look like cute? I don't know. Well, that's just what it's gonna be. I think I'll take these off and just wear this one. And I'm quickly gonna get changed, so toodaloos. And there we go. I'm wearing this cute like green top and some black leggings. I'm probably gonna wear some black like sneakers or something. And a black jacket. Can you please hand it to me? I'm gonna wear this puff. I'm choking on breathing. Whoa. Now it looks like I'm crying, man. Try that again. I'm gonna wear this like poof jacket over it, so I'm not like half naked. It is ultimately heading into winter, so it's getting cold here. So yeah, that's the look we're going with today. I like it. I might actually leave my hair like this. Probably not. I'm gonna like have a ponytail. I was gonna do braids. There ain't time. So a ponytail. More of like a half up, half down type of thing. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And then of course the sunglasses to kind of tie the whole thing together. So this is then the final result. Thank you for rushing to get ready with me. I am 10 minutes late, so we're gonna go really quickly now and go titrate looking like this and then go to my dinner. I'm looking forward to vlogging this. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoy doing this. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.